Hi there. So I'm going to show you how to assemble your this little cute bright colored welcome sign wreath. So you have your sign, you have your ribbon. My ribbon is out of the picture at this moment. And you have a little wire that we'll use at the end to hang. You have your wreath form with the pipe cleaners to color coordinate with the mesh so you know where to put them. And you'll have two bags of mesh, one labeled outer and one labeled inner bag. So we're going to start. I'm going to start by showing you how to add the mesh. One of the things that you might want to have handy is you do want a pair of scissors because you're going to want to cut the fishing line on your sign when you're done. If you have a pair of needle nose pliers, they are very helpful, as well as a pair of wire cutters. However, if you do not have these two items, do not worry about it. You can totally do it with your fingers. I just have them, and it does save my fingers. So I'm going to start by adding mesh. We're going to start on the outer wreath and then move to the in. You have 3 of each colors on the outer and 2 of each color on the inner, with the exception of purple. You have 3 purples. The inner mesh is shorter than the outer mesh. So we'll start on the outer. Do keep in mind, mesh catches on a lot of things. Clothing, other mesh, ribbon. That's kind of why my ribbon is off the picture at this moment. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and separate out. There should be 3, like I said, because I'm working on the outer. I'm going to start by rolling in an edge and then kind of scrunch all the way to the other side and kind of leaving the other side kind of rolled in as well. I'm going to pinch in the middle. I'm going to take my wire frame and I'm going to bring it and I'm going to add into an open pipe cleaner. I'm going to pull tight and twist around. Okay, we'll come back, we'll add ribbon in there on another step, and then we'll push the pipe cleaners to the back side. So again, curling in my edge to the other side, and like that. Ooh. And then I'm going to come back and find my pink. So I'm going to keep working my way around, adding all the outer mesh, and then I will go to the inner mesh. I will fast forward this video. You can certainly stop it and proceed on your own, or you can kind of watch me do it fast forwarded and then pause it anytime when you need to. And then I'll come back and we'll walk through adding the ribbon next after the mesh. All right,